Hello, welcome to my demo, Building Continuous Delivery with Azure Pipeline. In this project, we are going to deploy a web application to Azure, Microsoft Azure Cloud. For this, we need Azure account and GitHub account. We'll get the starter code from a GitHub repository that I have provided link in the README file. So we'll get the starter code from this GitHub repo and get this file in our repo. I've already gone ahead and got the files in my repo. Having done that, now I'm going to deploy web application using the Azure Cloud Shell. Um, First, we need to establish a communication between Azure Cloud Shell and our GitHub repository. I've provided steps here to create SSH keys and get those SSH keys and add it to your GitHub account. So basically, we will go to our Azure Cloud and run this command, create SSH key gen, get a SSH key and add it to our GitHub account. Once this step is done, the Azure Cloud Shell will be able to communicate with your GitHub repository. Having done that, we will go to the Azure Cloud Shell and do a git clone for our repository. So go to the GitHub repo and get the SSH command. Go to your Azure Cloud and say git clone Cloud Shell and git clone your application. I've already done this step, so I have the required files for this project, which you can see. Now I have all the files in the Azure Cloud Shell. I'm going to create a Python virtual environment, activate the environment, and install all the necessary Python packages required for this project. Um, the Python application will be starting in this file app.py. And now I'm going to set up this web application, get a web plan for running this web application, web service plan. I have this application up and running in Azure. The next step we have to do is uh, create a Azure pipeline. So go to your dev.azure.com, log into your account and create a pipeline. Firstly, you'll need to create a project and then create a pipeline. I've already done a pipeline for my repo, but I will show you steps how to do it. Click on the new pipeline button and it will ask you options. So I'm going to pick up the GitHub option and link it to my GitHub repository. This is the repo I'm going to use for the demo. And since it's a Python web application, I'm going to use this option. It's going to connect to my subscription. I'm going to select my subscription and go ahead with this one. Sign into your Azure account. So that we can tell the pipeline where to deploy the code. And here is the web application that we are going to deploy. So using our Git repo, when any developer make changes to this, our pipeline will deploy to this web application in Azure. So validate and configure. It's going to create a deployment YAML file. And the deployment YAML file, you will see this is the name of your web application. And during the deployment, it's going to create a Python virtual environment, activate the environment, install all the necessary Python packages for our application to function well. And then you can say save and run. I've already done this. It will create, and then it creates a YAML file in your GitHub repository, Azure pipelines.yaml. So I've already done this stuff, so I'm going to skip this one. Once you have the pipeline ready like this, we will see this pipeline. I've run this pipeline several times, but for the demo purpose, we are going to change some files, push our code to the GitHub repo, and we'll see this pipeline kicked in. Once this pipeline is kicked in, uh, it will deploy the package to Azure uh, in Azure. So I'll go ahead and make some changes to the README file. And I'm also going to add the useful commands needed to get this application running. I'll go to my GitHub and I'm going to commit my change. So now you will see that the Azure pipeline we should be getting the Azure pipeline. This is the Azure. This is the latest change we have committed. Update README file and useful commands. And currently the pipeline is building in the building stage. Once it builds successfully, it will start deploying. This will take a couple of minutes. And once this stage is done, you will see that the application, your code changes will be deployed to the Azure uh, web plan, and your web application will start seeing the changes. So I've done this a couple times. I can show you how it's going to look like. So any of these, this is how it will look like build stage and the deploy web application stage is complete. And then we'll go to our back to our web application and then to the Azure file, and we'll see the output of our, we can say, the JSON output from the web application successfully. I hope this was useful for you, and thanks for watching my demo. Thank you.